Hello, let's recreate the Unakkameen Chadachada from Kerala. A really tasty and amazing recipe from my hometown. My grandmother Ammachi used to make this with dried fish. I wanted to recreate it with salmon. Why? Because there are very few recipes with salmon using Kerala spices. So do check it out. When you buy the whole salmon and the fillets are taken out, you are left with this kind of fish pieces. What will you do with it? That gave me an idea to make a nostalgic recipe, fish chadachada or Unakka Meen Chadachada in my mother tongue, which my grandmother Ammachi used to make. It's an amazing recipe, really tasty. For that, the fish pieces are either steamed or baked in oven. Steam it for 10 to 15 minutes in your steamer or bake in the oven around in a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius for around 5 to 10 minutes. The fish should be cooked perfectly so that it is easy for us to remove the bones. This can be made with any fish which has got thick flesh and the bones can be removed easily, because this is kids' favorite, because which I used to love when I was a kid. So let's check it out. A pinch of salt, some crushed black pepper, just do a quick mix so everywhere it is uniformly cooked. Now it goes to the oven. Our salmon pieces are cooked perfectly, so let us keep it for some time to cool down so that we can remove the bones easily. The fish pieces are shredded nicely. Crushed garlic and small onion and celery. The shallots and the garlics is sorted really well. Now time to add the masala. In goes 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, around 1 teaspoon of dry chili flakes. We'll add half a teaspoon more, and then last crushed black pepper, around half teaspoon. We'll add 1/4 teaspoon of fennel powder. It's time to add the shredded salmon pieces. Now reduce the flame to low and then mix nicely so that all the flavors are infused well in the fish pieces, shredded fish. Even though the fish is cooked, we'll keep it for some time so that the moisture is really reduced and it will become very crispy. Around 1 tablespoon of desiccated coconut or freshly grated coconut also will do. It is cooked I like it in a crispy way, so we'll keep it on low flame for 5 to 10 minutes so that it will turn crispy and the aromas are really infused. Check the salt and add salt as needed. Our shredded fish is cooked perfectly. See the texture of the fish pieces?